Today here we show how to make a TikTok account on iPhone. So if you don't already have TikTok app, install it and open. Here tap on profile icon. Now tap on three dot at the top right corner of the screen. Next tap on add account. Here select any option. Here enter your birth date and tap on right arrow. Next here enter your mobile number which is able to sending SMS. Here asked for enter the 4-digit code that app texts you. This will only apply if signing up with a phone number. After that, tap on arrow. Your account is now set up and ready to use. Also, you can change your name. Tap edit profile. Here tap on name. Here you can change your name. After type your name, tap on save. Now tap on username. Here you can change your username. After type your username, tap on save. Now click on set username. Here all the process is complete. Like the video and subscribe the channel for more information.